Hey guys, welcome to NailPossible. After waiting and waiting and waiting, I finally got the Glam Rock collection from Sally Hansen that I ordered since January. Well, half of it anyway. Once again, the polishes were just thrown in there with no protection whatsoever, but everything survived, so that's cool. Let me remove these labels because they're kind of in the way. And these are the polishes. They're in consecutive order, but some numbers are missing. We have 601, 603, 605, 609, 611, and 612. As some of you probably know, this collection has 12 polishes actually, but Amazon Mexico has only 6 for sale. So let's begin swatching. First we have Mcverry. This is a metallic purple. The first coat looks pretty good. There are some bald spots here and there, but it gets fixed with the second coat. Here's the swatch on my nails. This is one thick coat plus top coat, and it looks pretty good. Just a small bald spot on my index finger, but other than that, it looks great. For stamping over white, it looks really nice. And over black, I like it. I feel like it stands out pretty nicely. Next we have Big Dip of Ruby. It's a pretty reddish color. On the first coat, I think was perfect. But just for kicks, I went for a second coat. And on the second coat, the color didn't get darker or anything, it looks the same to me. Against my skin color, it looks a bit darker. This is also one thick coat plus top coat, and it looks great. Over white, it stamps really nicely. And over black, it looks good, but I think it's a bit sheer in some spots, but overall, it looks good. The next polish is Alloy Orange. It's a bright metallic orange. I thought the first coat was gonna be kind of sheer, but it was a one-coater. And after the second coat, it looked exactly the same. This is the swatch on my nails. I'm not a fan of this color with my skin tone, but I don't really mind because I'm going to be using these guys mostly for stamping. Over white, it looks good. But over black, I think this is the first one that doesn't really work that well over black. It's a bit sheer, but not that much. You can definitely still see it. Next up, we have Dazzle Blue. It's a gorgeous blue. Just look at it on the first coat. It looks beautiful and perfect. A one-coater for sure, but just because we've been doing 2 coats on all the other swatches, I'm going to do a second coat, and there is no difference at all. This swatch is also one thick coat plus top coat, and it looks perfect. And as for stamping, I love how it looks over white. Really beautiful, but over black I think it gets a little bit lost, but all that glitter makes it stand out. Now we have Deep Space Sparkle. This is a gunmetal gray, not silver. There is an actual silver in this collection, but it is one of the colors that didn't make it here. Even though it's a dark gray, when you apply a regular coat, there are some bald spots here and there, but just like the other polishes, it's easily fixed with a second coat. On my nails, it looks kind of bluish. The color looks a little bit different against my skin tone, but I like it. It looks pretty nice. Stamped over white, it looks amazing. I really liked it. It pops beautifully. And same thing over black. Great shade for stamping. And last but not least, we have Blast Off Bronze, which I guess it is bronze, but I just can't help but see a brown polish with silver glitter. I don't know, I feel like it looks kind of weird. Anyone else? If you think about it, I guess it is bronze, but I don't know. Just like the last polish, this one needs 2 coats. But after that, it looks pretty good. On my nails, I like the polish. I like brown polish, but it's not necessarily my favorite. I have other brown polishes that I enjoy more. Over white, it stamps well. But over black, I think it came out kind of sheer. Not my favorite over black. Okay, so that is it for this video. Thank you for watching and I hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you on the next video. Bye.